Hello, my dear students of class 2. How are you all? Hope you all are doing very well, children. I welcome you all once again for yet another interesting class of our science lessons. So, children, in our previous classes, we learnt many things, right? About the plants. How do we make the uses of plants? What are animals, different kind of domestic animals and wild animals, right? And then we also studied about our body, right? How bones are helpful to us and how muscles are useful to us. Now in this lesson we will learn about food for health. Yes, food is very important to keep our health proper. To maintain a good health, we need to have a proper food, right? So let us see what do we have in this lesson. You will learn about food groups, meals in a day, key to healthy eating. Okay, children? So here are different kinds of food. So you can see the vegetables, fruits, pulses, cereals, meat and milk. These all are very important to maintain a good health. So types of food. So here we are having different types of food. One is the food which gives us energy, that is energy giving food. The food which help us in bodybuilding, that is bodybuilding food, and protective food. We should eat the right amount of different kind of food to stay healthy, isn't it, children? So we can divide the food we eat into three groups, that is the bodybuilding food, the energy giving food and the protective food. So food items such as rice, sugar and wheat give us energy to work and play. These food items are called energy giving food. So what are the energy giving food? Such as rice, sugar and wheat. These are the energy giving food. Okay. Now let us see what are bodybuilding food. Food items such as milk, egg and chicken help us grow. They make our bones and muscles strong. These food items are called bodybuilding foods. So what are bodybuilding foods, children? It is milk, eggs and chicken. Okay, these help us in bodybuilding of our body. Fruits, vegetables and nuts protect us from falling ill. These food items are called protective food. So what is protective food? Fruits, vegetables and nuts. These food items are called as protective food. Apart from these, we must drink plenty of water to remain healthy. So we need to drink more and more water to remain healthy. Okay. Now let us see so here, have a look in this picture, children. Food which gives us energy are wheat, rice and sugar. So these are the food which gives us energy. So what is bodybuilding food? Which makes our muscles strong. That is chicken, egg, cereals, meat, fish and milk. Okay. So these are the food which gives health to our body, that is bodybuilding food. Okay. So now the protective food. You see in the picture what are the protective food? That is lots of fruits. Then the nuts and the vegetables, all the green vegetables. Okay. So this is protective food. So what is this we have? Very interesting, right? What is this? Junk food which we all like, right? Like what we are having in this? Pizza, then burger, donut, chocolate, ice cream, lollipop, then sandwich, cake. So you all love this food, right? But this is junk food. So if we eat all this food, it is not good for our health. We should not eat every time. Once for all we can eat, okay, but not all the times, okay. You should not prefer eating pizza every day, okay. You should eat once in a week or once in 2 weeks, like that, okay. You should not eat these foods regularly because these are known as junk food which will spoil your health, okay. You should eat the food which gives you more and more energy. So let us see what are the meals of day. Okay. Meals in a day. A particular type of food that we eat at a particular time of the day is called a meal. So what is meal? A particular type of food that we eat at a particular time of day is called a meal. So we usually eat 3 meals a day, right? We eat 3 times a day, right? So we should eat our breakfast, lunch and dinner, right? These are the 3 meals. When do we have a breakfast? It is in the morning, right? We have a breakfast in the morning and come to the school, right? Then nowadays you should have your breakfast and sit for your online lessons, okay? Then we have lunch, that is in the afternoon, right? So after your online classes you can have your lunch, right children? Then before going to bed, that is after 7 o'clock in the night, you have your dinner, right? Maybe by 8 o'clock or so you will have your dinner. That's your last meal of the day. So there are 3 meals a day, that is breakfast which is in the morning, lunch which is in the afternoon, and dinner which we eat in the night, okay. This is the meal of a day. So keys to healthy eating. What is this? So rules of healthy eating. Let us see what are there. Eat different types of food in right quantity. So we should have our food in a quantity. Quantity means like it will be in a limited portion, okay. Eat well cooked rice. So the rice should be cooked well before you eat, or else you will get stomach pain. Do not eat food that has been kept uncovered. So you should not eat the food which is kept uncovered, means which is not closed. If the food is not closed, what happens? Many house flies and insects will sit on it, and through that what happens? Germs will form, and if you eat that you will fall ill, right children? So do not eat the food which is uncovered. Then wash your hands before and after eating. This is very important because your hands will have lots of germs in it, because you touch the surface of everything with your hands, right? So while you're playing you will touch here and there, while you're walking you will touch here and there. So every time you're using your hands, right? So before using your hands, before the food or touching your face, you need to wash your hands. Okay, so before eating your food you will wash your hands, and then after eating your food you will wash your hands. Eat slowly and chew your food properly. Okay, so and also you should wash your mouth after eating. You should rinse your mouth. Okay, after eating your food you need to gargle it. Okay, so that the leftover food in your mouth will come out. If not, the germs will form in your mouth. You will have the tooth decay. So you need to rinse your mouth after eating your food. Okay, children. Now after that, what you will have to do, you need to eat your food very slowly and you need to chew properly. Okay, don't eat your food very fast, just gulp it. Okay, you need to chew the food which you eat properly and then swallow it. Okay, eat and drink from clean plate and glasses. Okay, whenever you are eating your food, the plate should be clean, and the vessel which you use for drinking water, that also should be very clean. Okay, eat fresh food. You need to eat fresh vegetables, fresh meat and fresh fruits. Okay, so eat the food which is made on the time. Okay, do not keep it in the fridge and eat. Eat meals at a regular intervals and do not skip. Okay, and waste food. So what you all have to do, eat meals at regular timings. Means you need to have your breakfast on the time of breakfast only. You cannot have your breakfast in the lunch time, right? So eat your breakfast in the time of breakfast and have your lunch in the time of lunch. So you will have to maintain the timings of your food and do not waste your food. Okay, take the food how much ever you want. Okay, then if you want more you can take it more. Okay, children, so with this we will all maintain a good and a proper healthy habits. Okay, children, so now let us move on to the key answers of our previous lesson. I hope you all have done the answering in your textbook of your previous lesson, that is bones and muscles. Okay, now we'll go on to the page number 53. Okay, children, so here we have the exercise, that is fill in the blanks with correct words. The first answer is skeleton. Mark skeleton, the first dash. The second dash will be bones. The third dash is muscles. The fourth dash is bones and muscles. The fifth dash is straight. Okay, now we will move on to the match the following. I'll tell the numbers, children. That is 5, 3, 4, 2 and 1. Okay, I'll repeat the numbers. 5, 3, 4, 2 and 1. The next main is choose the correct option. So the first one you will mark all of these. The second one you will mark all of these. The third one again you will mark all of these. The fourth one is muzzle. That is option B. The fifth one you will mark again all of these. Option D. The sixth one you will mark joints. That is option C. Give 2 examples for each of the following. Okay. So Joints in the human body. Wrist, elbow. Wrist, elbow. Second one, exercise for strong muscles and bones. Tennis and swimming. Okay. Third one, activities that need strong bones and muscles. Work and play. Work and play. The fourth one, that is healthy food. Vegetables and rice. Vegetables and rice. So we will come down to the last main, that is the recall concept map. The left hand side is bones, hard and stiff. BONES, hard and stiff. STIFF. Okay. Right below that, framework of body, that is called as skeleton. SKELETON, skeleton. Then below that, bones are joined together at JOINTS, joints. So we will come down to the right side. Okay. So here you have MUSCLES, muscles. SOFT, soft. So muscles are soft. Then right below that we have bones and muscles. Again MUSCLES, work together to help us move. MOVE, move. WORK, work. And PLAY, play. So yes, we have done with the answering part. So yes children, this is it for today's session. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye for now.